How to fix Wi-Fi no internet connection problem on iPhone iOS 18. So if you want to fix that problem, then what you need to do is before starting this video, you need to make sure that your internet is working properly in others' mobile. Usually this problem occurs when your Wi-Fi router is not working or your interest package has expired and your internet has been blocked by the company. So first of all, make sure that your internet package is available and your Wi-Fi router is working. So if your internet package is available and you have confirmed that your Wi-Fi router is also working properly, then go with your iPhone settings. Under your settings, the first thing you can do is you can turn on the airplane mode for a few seconds and then again turn it off, and this might fix your problem. If this doesn't fix your problem, then you need to just scroll down, go with the general section, scroll down again, go with date and time. Under date and time, you need to go and select the time zone automatically, or if it is already set as automatic, then you can just simply go with a manual time zone, and this might fix your problem. If this doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing is you need to go back, and from the general section again, you need to just scroll down, go with VPN and device management, and from here you need to check if your iPhone is connected to a VPN or not. If it is connected, then you need to go and turn off your VPN that you've connected, and once you've confirmed all of these, then your problem will be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can go back, tap on reset and transfer iPhone, and from here you can tap on reset and tap on reset network settings, and this might fix your problem. So these were the few steps on how you can fix your Wi-Fi not working, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.